Changing your phone number on Yelp for Business is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your business information is up to date. Step 1. Log into your Yelp for Business account. Visit the Yelp for Business website and log in using your business account credentials. Make sure you have the correct login information to access your business profile. Step 2. Access your business information. Once logged in, navigate to the Business Information section. This is typically found in the dashboard or main menu, where you can manage various aspects of your business profile. Step 3. Edit your phone number. In the Business Information section, locate the field for your phone number. Click on the Edit button next to it to make changes. Enter your new phone number, ensuring it is accurate and formatted correctly. Step 4. Save your changes. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SREP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Verify the update. Once you have saved your changes, check your business listing on Yelp to confirm that the new phone number appears correctly. It may take a few moments for the changes to reflect on the site. By following these steps, you can easily update your phone number on Yelp for Business. Keeping your information current helps customers reach you without any issues.